Buenos dias. It's coming along, slowly but surely. Can't wait for the name to be removed. That'll be a happy day.
Whoa, 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 working at the boat wash, yeah.
I think he's actually lost his mind.
We sold our RV today, and it's official. We're boaters, or apartment dwellers until the boat's ready. That's it. No more RV. For us.
Yay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oscurecía, no podía ver. Yo manejaba, íbamos de 100. Prendí las luces para leer. Había un letrero de desviación, el cual pasamos sin precaución. Muy tarde fue, ya de frenar el carro y es que el fondo fue hablar.
So it's June 28th, 2022, and we are at the boatyard La Marina del Palmar. And today's going to be kind of a busy day. We're meeting here at 8 o'clock. Eric, the guy that's doing the woodwork, although it's probably not 8 o'clock. Since we've known him now for a month, he's never been on time, not once. So we don't expect him to be here till
At least 10 more minutes.
at least a quarter after, I'm thinking. We could be surprised. So we need to talk to him about, you know, how he's doing on the woodwork. He hasn't been here much. It's been mostly his guys working. And then at 9 o'clock, we're meeting a guy to get a quote on some sunscreens and some isinglass clears around the cockpit. And the rumor is it's going to be so doggone expensive we won't be able to swing it. So maybe it'll be a blue tarp affair every time storm comes. I don't know. But, and then at 9:30, we're meeting with who are we meeting with at 9:30?
Danny.
Oh, Danny. He's going to be building our stack packs and lazy jacks for the boat.
And then at noon.
Oh, at noon, yes. We're having our console dinghy worked on by a fella, and he has been somewhat difficult to deal with. Let's see what the heck is going on with that guy. He's rebuilding, they're doing a tune-up on the 50-horse Yamaha motor on the dinghy. We're gonna go see our boat, see how many people are working on it.
Yeah, let's check it out. So it's fun to walk it in here, seeing who might be working on the boat or no one working on the boat.
Buenos dias.
Yeah. Look, there's no name on the boat. She's officially nameless. I mean, she's really ours. Well, she was really ours a long time ago, but whatever. It's coming along.
So here's our little steps. They've got rust all over them. We need to get some steel wool and get these all shined back up before they put them on.
Yeah.
I think that's something that we can do.
Huh.
It's gonna be pretty.
Yeah, it is. We've really gotten a lot done, I think. I mean, what do I know about boats? But look at all this work they've been doing. There's the big gouge. Yeah, these guys can repair anything. They're amazing. Seriously, could you imagine walking under and over and around all of this in the US without signing your life away? Wow, how pretty this wood looks. What are we looking at now? Here, under this bed in the King Master Suite?
Well, it's a horrible discovery. That's the steering mechanism, the hydraulic ram that turns this cam, which controls the cables that moves the rudder. Mm-hmm. And the rod that holds the ram to the steering mechanism is held in only by a vice grip on the top. So if that slips off, it looks like it's gripped on there about 1/8 of an inch. If it slips off, that pin falls out. There's no steering.
Okay.
Well, it's a little early. It's only like 4 o'clock, but I'm bringing beer to the workers. They're very thirsty, I can tell.
Ah, is this a bribe?
And I got the green light from their boss, who's not here.
Okay.
So we'll see. I got 3 kinds of beer, and I got Coca-Cola for the one young fella. And I put lots of ice, and I poured salt all over it to get it cold. Well, check it out. They don't see us, so you can see that they're not doing anything. They're just standing up there. They're not doing any work.
They're discussing the work.
Yes, they're talking about the work.
Yes.
So we'll see what happens when they see us walk up.
Let's see what happens. Sitting there.
They see us.
Oh,
He's
there's
getting
movement.
up. They see us. There's movement. It's Mexico time.
Mm-hmm.
And Coca-Cola too.
Yeah.
Picate azul, picate rojo,
Yeah.
Coca-Cola. Help yourself, please. We snapped up those little cherry things.
Yeah.
This guy here.
Cool.
This thing this morning. They've been sitting here on the scaffolding for 2 weeks, or for a couple days.
Oh, really?
And he said, basura? I said, sí, basura.
Oh. These are blisters that they're gouging out and fixing for us. But Elon, who inspected the boat for us, said this was okay and normal. We have not asked where they are on the schedule yet. Hopefully we're ahead of schedule. Huh. It is Mexico, and we've been warned many, many times. Many times. It's Mexico time. So, you can't worry or stress about it. Mexico time. I'm okay with that. It's teaching us to chill out a little bit.
Yep, it's wet. Bueno.
Whoops. We were hoping this was solid wood. Underneath a really unattractive plastic laminate. And somebody got a little carried away.
second tile or something.
There you go. Hopefully, tomorrow, our wood crew will be removing this whole table from the floor and taking it to his woodworking shop to refinish it for us. And then we'll have them repair this flooring where the previous owner's dog sat wet all the time. Good. Seats need a good cleaning, and they've got stuffed up scratch marks from the dog, but oh well, you can't fix everything. Sometimes you just gotta stop work and go sailing, right, honey bunny?
I haven't learned that yet.
Another fun fact about our boat is we've learned, like on day one, that it's infested with
Cucaracha.
and teeny tiny itty bitty baby ones. They're just really freaky watching them run around everywhere.
Some sort of flower tea.
It's tea that they make here with flower petals, and it's very common and homemade everywhere. We just bought it from a little cart inside the a cart that is wheeled around from a bicycle. It has a couple of different containers of juices, and this one's the flower tea. They add a little sugar to it.
Anyway, 2 for 30 pesos, so 75 cents each.
Yeah, very good deal, and very refreshing and absolutely delicious, especially when it's like about, I don't know, 175 degrees outside.
Oh, it's a cooling trend. It's 99 today.
Oh, 99.
Yeah, in the shade.
In the shade, okay.
Anyway, so we're going to a chandlery, and of course I need parts in the chandlery like every day. Broken stuff everywhere.
Our life used to be Home Depot, now it's chandleries.
Yeah, right?
One fix-it store to the next fix-it store. Is it break time?
Hey! Caught me having lunch. What I got. What's this?
Dinghy parts. Looks like work is getting done here. They've removed the table, which is super cool, and they've already started sanding. Awesome. This is super exciting. Look how big it is in here. Maybe we should get a smaller table.
You're funny.
Let's go check on the cleaning crew. Hola. Hola. Wow. Holy cow, I didn't know we'd be doing such deep cleaning. That's amazing. Wow. We'd be in. This is a lot of work. It's coming along. Yikes.
Because I don't see how you can paint
When you
that.
remove this,